cannot control me now. I'm driving.
Huh?
It's freezing, guys. Freezing. Freezing. The sun is bright, guys. So I'm sorry. I'm going to wear my glasses because it's really bright. What did you forget? You have your phone with you? Guys, yung lubot ko, guys, yung puwit ko, guys, sobrang gumaganon yung mga kapuwitan ko ba? Gumagahi yung mga kaunuran dahil sa ginaw. Hindi ko pa pwedeng i-turn the heater because ang magbo-blow lang is yung ginaw. And masakit yung ulo ko. Ako ang magdadrive kasi alam ko si Tami pagod yan. Nasaan na ba yun? Talaga itong si Tami. Ay, nako. Very early, guys. Gusto kong lumabas. Pero alam mo, buti na lang gusto din lumabas. Nagtataka din ako, guys, kasi so early. Ano na bang oras? 10:17. Gusto kong lumabas. Nagtataka ako bakit gusto sumama. Usually, hindi yan sumama, guys. Lalo na kung pagod siya. Hindi yan sumama sa akin. Nagtataka nga ako eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, I'm going out. And then, kung hindi mo gusto, okay lang, ako lang okay lang naman, gusto ko lang talagang lumabas, guys, kaya para akong kahapon yung Christmas, parang hindi ko feel yung Christmas. And then pagdating ko sa sister-in-law ko, okay naman, nag-enjoy naman ako kasi sobrang late kami kasi si Tami nag-shovel the whole driveway, naglilinis siya, pagod na pagod, at saka alas 4 na kami nakaalis sa bahay kagabi, kahapon pala. Yan, naawa ko sa asawa ko kasi isa lang yung shovel namin, yung pang pala ba, akala namin dalawa pero isa lang pala, kailangan bumili namin ng isa para dalawa kami mag-shovel. Wala pa kaming parang yung mga, meron kaming snow blower pero nandun sa isang bahay, wala dito. So, and what happened?
Well, if I'm with it, but it's empty in gas, that's what
You cannot really live without them, huh?
Yeah.
For just few hours, huh?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah.
I don't know.
That was my phone.
Oh, geez.
Hey, geez, I used it to open the garage. Kidding me with this. I have to have it. I open the garage with it.
It's okay, don't be bitching.
No, it's stupid now.
Okay, let me see. Oh, maybe you put that in the back of the car or the in front of the car. Allah. No, that's fine, and that's life.
It's my phone.
I know. At saka lumabas siya, hindi niya kino-close yung door. Ngayon, namamatay na ako dito sa ginaw, guys. Hindi niya kino-close yung door. Akala naman yung asawa ko eh. Kaloka talaga. Asan kaya andun? Ay, andun sa nilagay niya sa sasakyan. Nilagay niya sa sasakyan niya.
Close your eyes, though.
You put it in the car?
Yeah, when I got my brush out of the car. What? Don't go nowhere yet. But if I wasn't looking to shut the garage, I wouldn't have known it. And then what?
Can I have a phone, hon? Not yet. Okay, now close it.
I'm waiting for it to link.
Oh, there's no internet.
We need to get a better router here. On the inside, the router sucks.
What? You have too many routers in the house, though. Why don't you use it? Don't buy more. Look, it's winter snow, though. It's like the ice.
Well, it did go down because I didn't do it early. If I did it early, it would look like that.
Shine over there.
Because the sun would have melted it. Now it's too cold. It's not going to happen. So I'm going to have to find
we have salt, though.
Yeah.
No matter what, even if you do, you said you're gonna put salt. The problem is it's going to snow. When is the next snow?
Saturday.
Saturday. So tomorrow there's no snow.
No.
So, but the temperature is gonna be what? As in freezing?
As in all week, way below freezing. By next weekend, it's supposed to be below 0.
Gee.
do two for New Year's. Anyway, so what do we do for New Year's?
We go to her house again.
Why don't you just have them come over? We got the roast, we got the pork, we got the beef.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how many people we're talking about, but it really can't be that many.
It's just the same, I think.
Where are you going?
I'm going to what I want to go, Tommy.
To get soap?
I want to go to the place that where that Christmas decor, if they have on sale. The one that we went to.
That's that way.
No, you are taking different. I'm taking different. I'm driving, okay?
The place that we went to the other day. He says, "Well, I really like this store. It's got lots of stuff." Okay.
That you cannot control me now. I'm driving.
Huh? That'll teach me. You freezing yet?
Luckily, this one. I thought really this one is 20 bucks. The one that Mom got. But I thought it's not. It's just like fashion. It won't help.
Down, it's warm.
It's really light. It's not even thick.
If it's down, it doesn't have to be thick. It's, you know what down is, right?
I don't know. It's not. That's 20 bucks, and it's just fashion one.
Well, it's a lining. What's inside the puff?
The lining.
Is that any good?
That's it over here.
Yeah, but I don't know what's in it.
I don't know. What is down?
Down is the little baby feathers on a duck.
No, this is not it. But it feels comfortable for me.
It used to be the biggest thing everybody got down, but it's very expensive. And then people stopped using it, they started getting all these polyfill crap.
It's freezing, guys.
If you're warm in that, it's pretty impressive, because you are always freezing.
Yeah. Well, my hand right now is not. It's freezing.
Oh, you can't explain his hands, huh?
Huh?
So maybe you should have got those gloves at the other place, like I told you.
I did have gloves. Remember, I got one.
Oh, where are they?
It's in the house.
Okay then. Mine are in the car, but mine I got because for the snow. If I gotta come out at night and clean, a foot of snow off the car, my hands will get in the snow and frozen.
Yeah.
Who else did the driveway early?
Yeah.
Well, they had plows, so it was no big fucking deal. They just drove.
I don't know. You have not plow. You have the snow blower.
I can't have a snowblower in two places. I'm going to drive back and forth with it. It's not like it fits in the car. You know what it took to get it here from Home Depot?
It's really.
I had a guy in the parking lot who helped me do that.
Really?
Yeah. And I had to fit it back in the truck. Not this truck, the old truck.
It's so cold. My car says there is a snowflake icon. So what does that mean?
It means things can freeze. It's cold enough to freeze, so be careful what you're driving.
Yeah.
According to the temperature, it's 23.
It's 23, yeah. This morning is 18 though.
Yeah. Well, the sun comes up and it warms things up a little bit.
Look at that. The number one is the number they have. Maybe that is not that.
I have to go home and get a different thing. Maybe something that I can screw into the post on the bottom.
I don't think so.
Why?
No, man. Just do the same thing what other people said. Maybe you have to put glue in it. Did you see the mailbox? It's the same what we have. Why is it sticking there?
I don't know. I knew it would stick to that plastic. I can feel it.
But we have plastic though. I see that. The mailbox of other people, the same thing what we have.
Yeah, but maybe they have better ones that are smooth plastic. Like that one had smooth plastic for the reflector.
All you have to do is like kind of like shave it to make it like raggedy and then...
Yeah, no. That's what I'm going to start shaving them out. Can't wait.
No, nail file. Use the nail file.
I'd rather get letters that take screws and screw them in. Like the house letters. Like for your house.
Yeah.
But I can't screw them into the mailbox because then the mailman put the mail in might cut his hand. I can screw them into the post. You know, that comes up and holds the mailbox?
Yeah.
That's fine. I'll do that. I just get big enough that they can see them. You can't, there's no mistake. that strip, that strip where the reflector is, that's where he put his numbers.
Oh, look, he did too.
Yeah.
So that's where
no, that's where the reflector strip's supposed to go. But
take the reflector out.
Yeah, it's right there. And maybe at night people would see it and don't hit it. Apparently they all did that with the plastic. Look at it.
Because that's what the best thing to do.
Well, that's all I tell you. It gives you a reflector strip. It should have given you numbers. Paintbrush, you can paint the numbers on it.
It's cold with it.
Yeah, of course. Come on, I'm cold with that jacket, you're good.
Right. Did you hear Andy says, give MaryAnn the freaking shovel, because this family is about, don't do anything, let your spouse do everything.
Andy was joking, you do that too. It's like, you want to turn things into what they aren't.
No.
Of course he was joking.
See, I don't meet your dad if that's her personality. But I mean, like,
I would make a joke out every day.
No, it's not a joke. It's